Okay, we're at the front of the home. This is the home faces south, so that would make this the southwest corner. I am supposing there's a water meter here and there's a irrigation box here. I'm supposing this is where the water meter is. I can't see a water meter. Can't do a water meter test. I don't know. I don't know about that. It's gonna leave us with a water shutoff valve. We come up here. This is the front portico. We're on the left side, facing the home. This is the west side of the front portico, between the front portico and the garage. And this box right here, this irrigation box, I'm assuming that's how you make a fool of yourself, is you assume something. That's where the main water shutoff valve is. And if it is there, I'm going to say none observed. But if there is one there, then that box should be excavated so that you can reach around the valve and service it in line with the gravel. Coming on along. On water pressure to the home, we're looking for between 40 and 80 psi. It can be less than 40, but I'm old school. Okay, the 40 is no longer a minimum. It looks like we have about 70 psi. In my book, that's about right. Okay, so that's a water meter we can't see. Water meter shutoff valve we can't see. Water pressure we can see, it's about 70 psi. Over here where we're assuming that the main water shutoff valve should be located, these are the main sewer cleanouts. Okay, you got a double cleanout. One goes this way, one goes this way, so you don't have any blank spots in the middle. Okay, so that's where you put your auger, your snake, your rotor-rooter, call it what you will. We have another cleanout over here. This is not your main cleanout. This is for the utilities. Okay, and the houses have this, but this goes this way, and I guess it can go out. But that's more or less like the sewer, municipality thing. So we got water, supply, water, gas. Gas is over here. I guess this is the guest bedroom. And the gas is over here. And this is how you shut it off. You got two valves. That's good for isolation. This is allowed on gas. I don't know why it's not allowed on water, but all the same. But parallel is on, perpendicular is off. That's just the rule of thumb. What we're not seeing here is we're not seeing electrical bonding for the gas system. Now, you probably have bonding at the furnace. Probably have a gas furnace, I'm assuming. I haven't been in there yet. Maybe bonding is at the water heater, but I don't see any bonding on this. And when you have bonding on an appliance, when an appliance has been grounded, then it's bonded because it's connected to all the gas piping, and everybody agrees that it's bonded. I can't tell you that it was sufficiently bonded. I just don't know. I just don't know. Coming across here. Yeah, that's a sprinkler zone valve. We're missing a sprinkler zone valve right there. But we're coming on along. This is the main, this is the check valve, backflow prevention for the house, for the lawn sprinkler system, not the house, for the lawn sprinkler system. See the way this box has been excavated? It's beautiful. See the way it's lined with gravel? That's beautiful. Alright? This is the main water shutoff valve to the lawn sprinkler system. We can see that the valve is on because it's parallel. We can also see that that box has not been excavated like this box. It's not lined with gravel like this box. Okay. Moving on along. Still in the lawn sprinkler design stuff. Inside the garage, on the west interior wall, is the lawn sprinkler. We have a care and use manual, and our stations are 7 stations, 2 of them are drip. Won't be able to view those very well. We should just go by sound. So, instructions. It'd be nice if we had a plot so that you could, plan and scheme, But a plot's not required, but it's a nice thing. Coming along here. This is your weather sensor, freeze and rain, okay? So the lawn sprinkler system basically is complete. I'm not going to run this on video, but it goes something like this. I'm in the manual mode, so I will go to manual. Front flower beds is drip. It's got 20 minutes on it, and I go back to run. And I can hear it. I can hear it. And then I go to system off, and that's where I found it, and that's where I'm going to leave it. After I run through these, I'll have a table baked into the inspection report. If you've seen my inspection reports before, you'll know what I'm talking about. And my client has seen my inspection reports before, by the way.